Hello, it's Hiro from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 10 of beginner course. In the previous video, we discussed tips for beveling straight edges. This time, I will show you how to bevel the curved edges. Now, the key points for beveling curved edges are similar to those for beveling straight edges, which we covered in previous video. If you are new here and haven't seen yet, I've included a link to that video in the description below. I recommend you watch that first to get the basics down, where the many of the techniques are same. Just knowing the straight edge techniques isn't enough for the curves. From my personal experience, as many beginners often do, I struggle to beveling their curves smoothly, leading to uneven bevelings. It's a common problem, but today I will share 2 key tips to help you overcome it. So let's practice together. The first tip for beveling curved edges is to move the leather pieces as you work. Simply move your arm to follow the curve without moving the leather makes it harder to achieve smooth results. While you can eventually learn to manage it by just using your arm, it's just harder to get a clean, consistent bevel. So for curves, try to move the leather along with your tool. As you can see, by moving the leather, the work flows more smoothly, and it's easier to maintain the right angle on the edge beveler, which we discussed in the previous video. Even if it feels a bit awkward at first, practice with this method and it will get easier. Now, for very tight curves, like ones the size of penny, this technique can still work, but it's a bit trickier, so here's another approach. Try to bevel the curve divided multiple times, instead of beveling the curve at one time. This makes the process easier, but be careful. If your beveler's angle changes during the process, you will end up with uneven results. For example, if you start with the correct angle, but the tilt changes during the beveling, you will end up with uneven results. It can ruin the look of your edge, so make sure to keep a consistent angle throughout the process. How was it? By following these 2 techniques, you should be able to achieve clean and consistent bevels. Please practice these techniques on scrap leather to improve your skills. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.